Make a great choice today with the 2017 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, push button start, MP3 player, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.